Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today this should be the last video of my timer system. So right here, I'll let you guys copy this code. I'll make sure to leave it all in the description. This is what we're using. So I got the classic sword from the toolbox. If you want to do this, just click on this, creators, go to Roblox. Click on their thing and type in sword, and then you get the classic sword right here. So right here's the classic sword. We do not need this, we need that. So now we put that in server storage, and it should all just be working now. Make sure to delete thumbnail camera because this is useless. So now, give all players sword. We did that, where it'll give all the players that get put into the game a sword. Then we'll do remove all swords. And then we'll do player in pairs. Game.players, get players. So this is pretty much getting the player. All the players inside of this, because when you join, it puts you into this, and that's where all your main stuff goes. So now we'll do if player.backpack find first child classic sword, then player.backpack find first child classic sword destroy. Else if player.character, because when we equip a tool, it actually goes into our character, classic sword, then player.character find first child classic sword destroy. So there we go. Now that we have all that working, now we can officially destroy all that. So start intermission. We'll do remove all swords. Start game, we'll do give all players swords, but first we'll wait for this, and then bam, there we go. There we go, okay. So now that we have that, it should give us the sword, so let's test this out. And it should also be working. Okay, so now we're into the game. And you see the game is loading in, so it's loading in intermission. Also, if you want these to not overlap, just set the thing to 1, 0, 1, 0, or just anything for the size. There you go. So load the map. Just make sure that you know what I mean. And bam, and our sword works. So now we can kill everybody in the game. But when we kill everybody, we still gotta wait for the time. You know, it's kind of boring. We don't want them to just wait for the time. So we'll go and replicate the storage. We'll add a folder, and we'll call it players in game. And we'll do for underscore comma player in pairs game.players get players, and do if player, then we'll do local string value equals instance.new string value comma replicated storage dot players in game. String value dot name equals player dot name. There we go. So now this should give us the name of them. Okay, so we got all this running, and we'll do the same thing, but instead we'll change this to replicated storage dot players in game get children, and I'll call this index, I guess. Yep, index. Now we delete this. Actually, we don't need that. We can just do replicated storage dot players in game clear all children. There you go. This will clear it all. So now that we got that, When it starts the game, it will add us in. But first, we should make it probably add right before it gives us all the swords. So, about here. There we go. And then we'll do, we'll also do, okay, so we're already 5 minutes into the video. Let's go. So I'll do game.players.player added connect function player. Player.character added connect a function as character. If character.humanoid, then, well, actually, instead of .humanoid, we'll do find first child just to make it more working. Like it works more. Okay, so now we'll do char.humanoid.died connect function, and then we just put died in there. There's no point in that. It's just kind of like checking if they die, but we don't ever use that. And now we'll do if replicated storage.players in game find first child player.name, then replicated storage.players in game player.name destroy. There we go. And now we'll do if replicated storage.players in game get children, we'll actually do hashtag, so it gets all of them, the number of them is greater than 1, then, less than or equal to 1, then break. We'll also do game.players.player removing connect the function to player, and we'll do replicated storage.players in game player destroy player.name. This is just so we can make sure we get all the players in game and take them out. If replicated storage.players in game, oh wait, not fun. Find first child player player.name, then there we go. Okay, so now that we got that, whenever they leave or die, if they're found inside players in game, then, you know, it'll destroy that. So now we all got that good, let's check it out. Let's see if it actually just completely ends. So it'll start with one player, but then the second the game starts, it should just kick me out the round and bring me back to the lobby. And then just start intermission. So let's see how that goes. So we're just waiting. Okay, there we go. Now create the map, and now let's see what it does. And there we go. Brings you straight back to intermission because we only had one player. And there you go. Also, I'll just set up the time to be a little bit lower. I'll make it 8 seconds. Just to show you guys something, we have to make it 8 or something so that you don't start it when I'm already in. There you go, 6, 5. And now look, players in game has nothing. 2, 1, bam. Now nothing's added. Now watch. You'll only see it for like a split second, so keep watching right here where my cursor is. Look, you should have saw it for like a split second. It showed an arrow, meaning that we were right there. So, in case you didn't see it, we'll change up the script just for a second. We'll just do it's greater than 1. There we go. This is just so that if it's greater than 1, then it will end the round. This is just to show you that it pops up inside the players in game. And then this will be the end of the video. And you guys can use this to make your own game. And also, if you wanted to make sure that it also checks in intermission, you can just do the same thing. Okay, so see? And now look, I'm actually inside players in game. And if I reset, or the game ends, see, it kicks me out of the players in game. And it just deletes our sword. Well, just one more thing. No, not greater. Less than or equal to. One last thing I think I should show is this. Right here. Okay. If replicated storage, no, if hashtag game dot players get players is less than or equal to 1, then let's see, then we'll do task, then we'll do repeat wait. We'll do a repeat wait until game dot players get players is greater than 1. Until that is greater than 1. Now it won't run it. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, and make sure to like and subscribe.